Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Twirlywoos and I are going to have an ice bath and we're going to learn about colors using our bath paints. But first we need to get a bowl full of ice. We'll open the door to the ice maker, take the scoop out. We'll scoop the ice into the bowl. Do you know what shape these ice cubes are? They're squares. And there are hundreds and hundreds of ice cubes in here. It'd take too long to count them all. The ice bath is ready and Toodaloo goes in first. Then Great Big Who. And here come Chickadee and Chick. First, we're going to use blue bath paint. Who in the Twirlywoos family has blue on them? Great Big Who is completely blue. And Chick has blue feet and blue feathers on his head. So let's put the blue paint on those two. Next, we're going to use red bath paint. Who's red in the Twirlywoos family? Chickadee has red feet and red feathers on her head. And Toodaloo is completely red all over her body. So we'll put red paint on these two. And finally, we're going to use yellow bath paint. Who in the Twirlywoos family has yellow on them? Chickadee and Chick. Red, blue, and yellow are called the primary colors. That means when they're mixed together, we can make other colors. Let's see what happens when we mix yellow with red and blue with yellow. Yellow and red make the color orange when they're mixed together. Yellow and blue mixed together make green. Look who's come to visit. It's Kitty. She's wondering why there's birds covered in paint in an ice bath. Pretty silly, hey, Kitty? Time to wash the paint off. The paint with the water mixed together is making a rainbow bath. We'll give the Twirlywoos a little scrub with our fingers. Well, thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are going to have fun with all of these toys and Kitty. And we're going to start the bath because we have a lot of floaties, Tiny fans, mini floaties. Let's see. All right, here are the floaties and Tiny Treasures is here with us. Say hi.
Hi.
Let's see what tiny floaties we have. There's a rainbow and a cloud.
A watermelon. A pineapple. A kiwi. A ring. a flamingo, a crab, a mermaid, an orange, or maybe it's a lemon, a duck, a palm tree floaty, a gold donut floaty, and a big flower floaty.
Let's get pumping and pump some air into these floaties. Look, tiny fans, we have so many blown up already. I wonder what Kitty thinks of all of this fun. All right, we have one more left to blow up and inflate. This is Tiny Treasure's favorite floaty, isn't it?
Yes,
What do you like about it?
Well, I love the sparkles.
They shake around inside, don't they?
Mm-hmm. And gold is my favorite color.
Now, Tiny Treasure is getting quite excited about this glitter that moves around inside. What do you think?
It's so cool.
All right, we're missing one more thing. What is it?
Water.
All right, Tiny fans, we're ready to put our toys in a floaty. How many floaties do we have, Tiny Treasures? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 floaties.
And we have 13 of our favorite figure toys. And we're not sure if all of these floaties are going to fit in the bathtub, so let's try it out. Who should we put in the tropical palm tree island floaty?
I think Peppa should go in the tropical island floaty.
Oh, I love palm trees. Okay, let's put Peppa in. Who should go in the rainbow floaty?
I think Barney should go in the rainbow floaty. All right, let's put him in.
And now the kiwi floaty.
I think Dipsy
See.
should go in the kiwi floaty.
All right, let's put Dipsy in. Next, the lemon.
I think it's a lemon.
All right, who do you want to put in?
Let's put Chick in the lemon floaty.
How about the crab?
I think Sky wants to go in the crab.
I love pink.
All right. Woo.
Tiny fans, who do you think should go inside the duck?
I don't know. Probably Donald.
That makes the most sense. Quack, quack. Now this one and the rainbow one are my favorites. Who's going to go in the flamingo?
I will.
Dora the Explorer. Next is the watermelon floaty. Now this reminds me of Tiny Treasure's pottery creation. It was a watermelon bowl, and if you haven't checked it out already, go to our video, Peppa Pig, Away We Go, Read Along Story. Who's going to go in the watermelon?
I will.
All right, Elmo, have fun.
Whee!
Time for the pineapple. Now, do you know what pineapple is in French?
Anan?
Ananas.
I was so close.
And banana is banan. Who's going to go in the pineapple?
I will.
Rubble.
Woohoo!
It's time for the pink flower umbrella floaty, but let's check in with Kitty. How you doing, Kitty? Oh, are you getting tired? Who's going in this floaty?
I will.
Abby Cadabby. She loves pink. And she's shaded by the umbrella.
Ooh.
Now for the beautiful gold diamond ring. Who are you going to choose, Tiny Treasures? Nunu. Have fun, Nunu. Now for the mermaid. It has beautiful scales and a tail. Who is it going to be?
Bluey. This is going to be so much fun.
Oh, the bathtub is getting full. I think we're going to be able to fit all of the floaties because we have one more left. It's Tiny Treasure's favorite. Ooh, it's so pretty. And who do we have?
Daniel Tiger.
Oh,
Last
she's
but not least.
great. Uh-oh, I think Kitty might want to jump in and join in on the fun. Well, we hope you had fun with us today. Which one was your favorite floaty, Tiny fans? You can let us know on our Facebook page. We'll make a post. Uh-oh, we better watch Kitty. We better go. Say bye, Tiny Treasures.
Bye.
Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Teletubbies and Nunu are on the Little People Racetrack set. The track goes way up high. And this is the starting point. You race down the green track. And when you get here, you can go two ways. You can go down the rest of the green track, or you can go this way and the track turns yellow. The girl in the purple car is going first. Let's see what track her car goes down. She starts in the green and then it finishes on the yellow. She slows down because she sees the yellow light. Whee! The boy in the orange car is wearing some black sunglasses to protect his eyes from the sun's UV rays. He's got black wheels and he's ready to go down the track. There he goes, down the red track and then on to the orange track. Dipsy helps out at the gas station. The pump is yellow and orange. They need to fill their tanks. Po wants to try riding her blue scooter down the track. We need to fit you under here. Let's give it a try. Sorry, Po. Your scooter is way too wide for the track. Tinky Winky is at the traffic light. What does a red light mean? It means stop. What does the yellow light mean? It means slow down. And finally, what does the green light mean? It means go. Ready, set, go lightning. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hey and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Here are the candy Teletubbies. And Candy Nunu has a surprise for them. Oh, look, Teletubbies, behind you. Ooh. Hey, look, Teletubbies. It's elephant gummy candies that connect together like a puzzle with lemon, grape, blueberry, green apple, and orange. Oh, they're bigger than I thought. Snippity snip. Oh, yellow like Lala. That's right, Lala, a yellow elephant. Dipsy is holding an orange elephant. Let's see if you can fit them together, Dipsy. Good job. We're making an elephant train. Po has a green elephant gummy. Good job. We now have 3 elephants, Po. Tinky Winky has a purple elephant. Ooh, our elephant train is getting longer. Silly Nunu has a blue elephant on his head. Don't suck the gummy up, Nunu. Good job, Teletubbies. You worked as a team. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elephants. Say goodbye. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.